Okay, part 3 of the headlight restoration. So this is what it's going to look like after you use the P500, and I use 2 of them because it really needs it. It's a big headlight on the Honda van 2009. It's going to all be scuffed up. I'm going to say I went over it at least 10 to 12 times. I went back and forth on it. I had some pretty bad imperfections in there. You can see some cracks in the lens anyway. Not much I can do with that. But yeah, that's the way it looks. And then I attach my P800 next, and I will wipe this first. I like to just get that off. And then P800, and the more times you do the 500, the easier it is with the 800. The more you do with the 800, the easier it is with the P3000, and the more you use the P3000, the easier it is for the polishing. So the more, the better, but not hard. Again, medium pressure on this, and just back and forth, and you can see it makes a big difference on the scratches, much finer scratches, and it will really take this down nicely. I only used one of these P800s on the other headlight, which turned out really nice. This is why you need the tape a little bit heavier down here, because you got to get down in here. And then I'll have a part 4 of me using the P3000 and the finish up.